Hey, Tom from Tom's Tunes. We're here with a before look at this 1996 Sportsman 24-foot pontoon boat. This baby needs it all and it's getting it all. We're getting rid of this teal carpet, replacing it with new boards, new deck boards, and new vinyl flooring. The railing, we're going to do a new railing kit. The railings are flimsy, they've been welded, they've been repaired. We're going to give it the beefy, new clean look. We're actually going to give it a front door because it's missing right now. The console in the back there, as you can see, got blown over on the way here on the highway. So we're gonna replace that with a brand new console, all new seating. One of the beautiful things about having a fresh start with a boat like this is we're gonna get rid of this board here. We're gonna get rid of the tray and board on the other side that would hold the gas tank. And we're gonna go ahead and add another cross member across. We're gonna get more deck space. We're gonna make this a lot more practical boat. These folks are doing it right. They're gonna be super happy when we're done with this boat. We're back with this 24-foot pontoon from 1996. We've done the new gray vinyl weave flooring, new deck trim from pontoonstuff.com, stainless cleats, corner caps, LED docking lights or headlights, LED navigation lights in the sidewall. This boat is completely new with the new blue DeckMate railing. We have an accent panel. As we keep going, we've left just enough space on the back of the boat to be able to walk across, get to the dock, put the seat covers on, whatever it may be. And obviously, big point on this new, or this redo, is the brand new Suzuki 20 horse. It's on a 20 horsepower maximum lake. So brand new Suzuki fuel injected 20 horse is gonna make life a lot easier, a lot cleaner, and a lot quieter when doing laps around the lake. If we're out swimming, we have the heavy duty aluminum ladder, and what we've done is made this permanently mounted through the deck with bolts, so it's super sturdy. We're gonna climb right in the back just like we would if we were coming in from a swim and check out what's on the inside. When you enter the boat, we've got tons of floor space coming through the captain's chair, option for a table here or up front. We just wanna show you really quick how easy it is to undo these snap-on individual seat covers. Just a series of snaps. If we wanted to, we could unzip halfway and expose just this one long bench with the lean back, or we can undo the whole thing as one. It's much easier to deal with than a full mooring cover. This can stash right underneath the seat. These are made custom by our seamstress, so you could look at a local upholstery shop near you. We're ready to go out on the lake. They're quick and easy to put back on too. So now you can see the full layout. We've got the right lean back seat facing back from the front with two 38-inch benches, just looking for as much floor or as much seat space as possible. The left lean back into a 55-inch bench, a little bit of room for a bag or a cooler on the end there. We've got another left lean back, tons of storage underneath these seats. And flip them open, lots of space for life jackets, whatever you need to have in there, anchors, ropes, etc. Into that 55-inch bench. 28 corner, 28 bench, and then a custom upholstered sun deck in the back. Tons of storage under there, including the gas tank. Low back helm chair. This has got the armrests on it. Nice, comfortable seat. We can slide forward and back, depending who's driving. New control box on the rail. Good spot for this. And then we have our carbon fiber switch panel. It's an 8-switch panel. And then we have a Garmin Fusion Bluetooth stereo. This boat has been the life of the party for everyone on the lake. This year, it's gonna be even better when everyone climbs on.